What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 9x6 Flips. Today I'm going to go ahead and do the second lot of the DS Lites that I got from eBay. These are 22 consoles as is, and we're going to go ahead and check them out right now. Before we get into it, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. It would help me out. Comment, like, share, anything you can do to help me out. So let's go ahead and get into these consoles. Alright, so here's the box. Go ahead and open this up. Let's see how well I can do this. I'm getting better with one hand. Open. Yeah. So I'm going to do this side. That side's going to be tough. Alright, let me get my scissors. I can't find my blade or my knife. This is pretty tough. Alright, so there you go, guys. I'm going to open the box upside down. Alright, let me go ahead and open it. So I opened up the box, took all the bubble wrap out of it. Here's a quick look at the consoles. I'll go ahead and get them out of this box. I'll put them up on my desk so we can check them out real quick. I am not going to go thoroughly through these. I'm just going to check them out real quick. I do have the PSPs that came in. I also have another surprise. I ordered some broken N64 games, and I want to do those live and see how many I can get running. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So here's a look. Them sitting on my desk. I wanted to do a live video, but it's gotten so to a point where my live videos come out so bad. I don't really want to do them anymore. I will do the video on those 64 games, like I said. But on this stuff, it's better just for me to record. It has some way better picture quality and sound. So let me go ahead and grab a couple and we'll start checking them out. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab this one real quick. It's a black console. Like I said, I'm not gonna do all of these. I'm just gonna do a few of these just to see what I got in. What's got to charge. I'm putting in the game. And here we go. The screens are pretty bad. Picked up the game. Yeah, top screen's no good. Okay, so we're just gonna go through them just to show you guys what I got in. So there's a black one. Got another black one here. Messed up top screen also. Bunch of problems with the bottom. Both screens are messed up and it won't turn off. I'm trying to turn it off here. There it goes. Took a few tries. Got this gray model. This one doesn't turn on at all. Charge light comes on, then off. I'm probably blowing fuse. Pretty simple. Got a white one. It's disgusting up here. It looks like somebody wrote on it. It's got power. Okay, so when that screen flashes, that means that screen's no good. It's another top screen issue. There's another white one. Trying to keep you guys centered there. Oh, we gotta check this one. That turned on. Let's see if it holds a charge. It does charge. You can see there. Try it again. A button doesn't work, huh? We're gonna go through this quick, guys. I want to get this uploaded and done today. A button's pretty bad. Treasures work. Okay. Moving on. This one seems okay. We got another white one here. This one shows power also. Screens look good. A button does not work. Let's see if it picks up the game in a charge. It does show a charge. And alright, picked up the game also. It's good news. The top screen's kind of burned in. but still very playable. I just want to check the triggers real quick. All right. White one's pretty good. Could be worse. Also turn right on. This hasn't been charged in a while because it went to the setup. It does show a charge. Okay, it's good enough for now. I don't want to waste time going through all of it. We got this black one, bad top screen. It charges. A button's not working, but it does pick up the game. Touchscreen's kind of eh. All right, let's move on. Get through this quick. I want to get into those other consoles. I've got some more consoles, like I said. I got some PSPs that I gotta show you guys. Okay, this one on and off charge. It's more than likely a fuse. We're not gonna mess with that. This one did turn on, so let's go ahead and put the turn right back off. Let's see if it shows a charge. Yes, it does. Turn it on and off. Screens look good. A button works. D-pad's kind of messed up. A button's great. Left trigger does not work. But we got some good screens and a good board. All right, let's keep on going. Some black one. This one turned on and turned back. Oh, it's actually pretty on. Yeah, bad top screen. Let's see if it'll pick up a game with the charger. It does charge. Bad top screen for sure. Game works. Real quick, let's check the triggers. Won't take long. Yeah, the triggers work. All right. Here we got a very nice, look at that. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Very nice red and black DS Lite. I should have done, well, it does show a charge, which is good. Oh, the inside is pretty beat up. You can see it's really worn here. We've got two bad screens. It does pick up the game, so the board's good. You can always use that board for something else. And just leave this one for parts. The bottom here, the volume is really sticky. A button does not work. Triggers work, so it's a good board. You can use this for one of those other consoles that's no good. Excellent. We got a metallic rose. See if it fires up. It does. Quickly now, we'll put in the charger. Showing a charge. Bad top screen. Alright. See if we can get any further. Alright, game does work. Now we can still test the top screen. I mean the top triggers. You just gotta listen for it. You can hear that? That's the trigger working. And that's the other trigger working. Alright. So this one just needs a top screen. Good board. Got a bunch of white ones. This is a really nice white colored. Look at that. It's really nice. Okay, it does show power. Let's go ahead and insert the game. I'm not gonna pick it up because I put the game in there. Let's try it again. Can't put the game after you turn the console on DS Lites. Bad screen. But it picked the game. So this screen's gone. You can kind of see the lines running through it. Right around there. So we can still test the triggers. Alright, we got good triggers on this one. And the only thing wrong with that one is the bottom screen. Easy fix. There we got another red and black. This one powered on. Let's just see what it does. Alright, this looks really good. Maybe just the buttons? Once in a while, like I say, in these lots, yeah, I didn't pick up the game. Sometimes some of these, there's nothing wrong with them. Dead battery, or they just send, I guess, a working one that went out. All right, so that one, I don't know if you saw it, guys. It's a fuse. No point in going further on that. Let's see if this does anything. This one does turn on. So let's go ahead and put the charger. Got our game. We're gonna have to turn it back on and off. So far the screens work, which is good. No game inserted. And touchscreen doesn't seem to be working right. Oh, there it goes. It probably needs to be calibrated or replaced, but didn't pick up the game. No game. Okay, let's move on. We've got 5 left out of the 22. I'm going to move the stack over here so you guys can see them. No power there. Let's see if it does anything. Okay. Picked it up. Bad top screen? Yeah. Colors are going crazy on the top screen. Let's see if you guys can see that. Kind of like greenish with lines going through it. Let's see, can you see? Not really. Maybe with the game you will be able to. Yeah, look at the word Nintendo. It's got like lines all over. Their screen turned green. Yeah. Well, let's test the board. See if these triggers are good. The screen went out. Triggers are good. But you can see there's like lines running through the whole thing. Alright, not bad. Just the top screen. It's repairable. It's got this black one next. It looks really nice. It's shiny black color. Very nice. Let's see if it picks up the game. It does charge. Like I said, we're going to have to turn it off and turn it back on. See if it picks up the game. And it did. Very nice. It's got good screens. This one, if it's completely working, I might just hold on to this one. I'm starting to add DSs to my collection. Oh yeah. Alright, awesome. This one's going in the collection. Here we've got another one. This one's not as nice looking. You really can't tell unless I shine in the light. Let's see if it does anything before we even... Okay, it does. So, we've got this one and 2 more, guys, and we're done. Yeah, both of the screens are broken on this one. A doesn't work. Game picked it up though. Just so it's good. And good triggers. All right. Two more. Sorry about that. This gray one right here. This one doesn't do anything. I'm pressing the power switch up. It's probably a blown fuse also. No, this one actually shows a charge. Okay, let's just let that sit for a second. Let's grab this next console, our last one. It's not bad looking. It's a white console. We got power. Let me steal the charger from the other one that we're messing with right now. It does show a charge, so okay, that's all I need. Let's turn it off and turn it back on and see what it does. In the meantime, let's plug this guy back in. See if it does anything. Yeah, it didn't pick up the game. it sounded kind of weird when I put the game in. You hear that? It means those teeth in there, inside where the game goes, are all messed up. Right in there. Can't see them. I can't either. But that one's not working. Alright, let's give this one more try and then we're done. Come on. Nah, there's no power. I'm holding up the power switch. Oh! Hello there. It's just not showing the green light. And it picked up the game. We might have a winner here. Buttons are good, seems like. Let's just check this one out. It's a really nice color too. It's got a little bit of wear there, but not too bad. Volume sounds good. A button works. X button works. Yeah, this one's a really nice console. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.